held the horsepower.
God almighty.
It's gotta be quiet in
It sounds good though, damn, I love it. No, it's just straight pops or what?
here. No, it's long tubes and pipes.
So, yeah, alright.
It's fucking loud.
God almighty, I love that shit. Does this window roll down?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. God damn. Hell damn, bro. God almighty, I love it. Hell yeah. I love it. God almighty. Hell yes.
Trusted her on that. Hear that?
Is it fucking, what kind of rear end did you put in there? Like,
Just rebuilt it.
What?
Put new, put Summit Racing bearings and seals in it. All new bearings and seals.
Damn.
All new bolts for the carrier ring, or for the ring. Had a dude put new pinion bearing in it and shit. Yeah.
Damn.
I mean, other than like the popping, it drives fine.
Yeah, hell yeah, it fucking hooks up. It'll sling a damn posse. That's for sure. I couldn't believe it just fucking. What is up? Out here at Jack's. Got the old 8-1 pulled up. About to drop this D-Max in the back of it. What's going on there, Jack?
Oh,
So, gonna get some shit done today. Tomorrow. But, getting a little head start tonight.
y'all boys need a mailbox? Got one in there for you.
So, having some mixed feelings with this old girl. So y'all let me know what you think. I'm kind of just tired of paying for it, one. And I don't know if I need something this nice right now. So y'all let me know what you think. Should I keep it? And do a different manifold and turbo, maybe some head studs. I mean, that's a lot of money, but is it worth it, or should I just stick with my 9902 Chevys and build one of those? So leave down in the comments what you think. And y'all best be looking forward to this D-Max running, because we sure are. So stay tuned, guys. Good old Ty on the work rig. She had a good life. Gonna slap this one on there. Jack's got to use this to. We can't fit the motor in the back of the 8-1. It sits up too high, so we're gonna use this 2-wheel drive and get the job done. So stay tuned. On there real quick. Alright, that fucking sucks. Plenty of life on this rig. Good, fuck. Jack can't fucking drive. Tearing that in the work rig. Give me a green one. pretty good too. Alright, today's the day. But this is the end of this video, so hope you guys enjoyed. Next video, this thing should be on the road and running.
Maybe.
Hopefully. So stay tuned.